I love business. I've started quite a few. Here's some pointers that I wish I had when I was planning my business. 1. About 20% of new businesses fail within their first year. 2. Roughly half of all new businesses close before reaching 5 years old. 3. Only about 1/3 of businesses survive for 10 years or longer. 4. Choosing an industry with proven demand is usually safer than trying to create demand from scratch. 5. Poor market research is one of the most common reasons new businesses fail. 6. Cash flow problems contribute to more startup failures than almost any other factor. 7. Service businesses often require far less startup capital than retail stores or manufacturing companies. 8. Businesses that solve an existing problem typically outperform businesses built around a clever idea alone. 9. The first 2 to 3 years are the most dangerous period in a company's life. 10. Agriculture-related businesses have some of the highest long-term survival rates in America. 11. More than 17 million new business applications were filed in the United States between 2021 and early 2024. 12. Many successful businesses begin as side hustles before becoming full-time ventures. 13. Experienced entrepreneurs generally succeed more often than first-time business owners. 14. The best business idea is often where your skills, customer demand, and profit potential overlap. 15. Companies with simple, easy-to-pronounce names are often remembered more easily by customers. 16. Many branding experts recommend keeping a business name under 3 words whenever possible. 17. A hard-to-spell business name can make it harder for customers to find you online. 18. Before choosing a name, check whether the matching website domain is available. 19. Trademark conflicts can force a company to rebrand after it has already built recognition. 20. Many successful companies started with names completely unrelated to their products. 21. A business name should be easy to say, easy to spell, and easy to remember. 22. Names that clearly describe a product or service can help customers understand the business faster. 23. A name that's too specific can limit future expansion into new products or markets. 24. Customers often form a first impression of a business before seeing the product, simply from the company name. 25. Many entrepreneurs spend weeks choosing a name, but successful execution matters far more than the perfect name. 26. The best business names are usually short, memorable, distinctive, and available across major online platforms. 27. Perseverance is key. I hope this helps. Please check out my other videos.